Hey there, photographers, Brenda Petrella here, and welcome to another episode of PhotoPills Friday, where we unlock the power of the PhotoPills app and help you learn it without all the confusion. In today's quick tip episode, I'm going to show you how to find and save your favorite photo spots in PhotoPills so you can quickly find them anytime you have a dose of inspiration and want to plan an image. There are two ways to go about doing this. One is to find the location by doing a search in the planner, and the other is to be already on location and then save your current coordinates. So let's go over both. Let's dive into the planner and search for a favorite location. All you have to do is go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Load, and then in the search bar, type your location of interest. So for this example, let's use Horseshoe Bend, which is a favorite viewpoint of the Colorado River in Arizona, and then we'll click on it. That will drop our red pin, which is the observer's pin, at the Horseshoe Bend viewpoint. We can zoom way in to further refine our red pin location and just tap and hold on where we want it to move to, such as closer to the rim, and the red pin will relocate to that spot. To save this location so that you can refer to it later when planning various images, click on Save down below at the bottom. Click on Point of Interest, then New POI or Point of Interest, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll say Horseshoe Bend. And before you can save it, you need to select what category it is. So click on Category, and a bunch of icons appear down the side of the screen. And you can scroll through this list to find the appropriate category that fits the location. And for this one, I'm going to pick Panoramic. And now click Save and Done to return to the planner. Now, if you ever wanted to load this location back into the planner on a different day, say, all you have to do is go out to the main menu, click on My Stuff, click on Points of Interest, make sure that My List is selected at the bottom, and boom, here is your list of saved POIs. If you tap on one, then it will show up on the map in the center. And if you click on the white box, that will now load it into a POI sheet. And from here, you can tap on Action and then Send to Planner. Now, for the next example, say you're out for a hike and you find a spot that you think would make an excellent Milky Way composition, and you'd like to save that location so that you can plan the shot in PhotoPills later. All you have to do is go into the planner, click on the little plus sign in the lower right corner of the map, click on the first of the icons there of the toolbar, which is the GPS icon, and if you click on it, it will relocate the red pin to your current location. Now click on Save, and you can save this POI just as we did before. Now, let's say you also wanted to remind yourself what this place looks like. You can take a snapshot of it with your phone and associate that shot with this saved POI by clicking on the gallery button at the bottom. And in the upper right-hand corner, a camera icon appears. If you click on it, you can either take an image with your phone's camera or import one from your saved files. If you take a photo you like, you can say Use Photo. Now that image is saved to your POI info sheet, which is pretty cool, right? You can also add notes about this location here under the notes section. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you about points of interest that's pretty neat, and I only just discovered it, is that PhotoPills has included a library of popular points of interest already in the app. So this will potentially save you time on research in Google Earth or Google Maps if you're interested in one of these locations. So to find them, head back to the main menu, click on My Stuff, Points of Interest, make sure the map icon at the bottom is selected, and if you zoom way out, suddenly you'll see tons of these PhotoPills points of interest all over the globe. And if you zoom in, you'll start to see the icons symbolizing the categories for any of these photo spots. And then if you click on one, the little white box pops up with the description of the point of interest and the coordinates. And then if you click on that white box, a Wikipedia page will open with information about that point of interest. And if it suits you, you can then click on Action at the bottom and you can say send to planner, and that will load that point of interest into your planner. And just a quick tip, you will need to save this as your own POI if you want to have it listed with your other saved POIs, and if you want to associate any images or notes with it, just as I showed you how to do a moment ago. So keep learning, keep practicing, hit subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.